Welcome back to Z's Toy Barn. Today, I have a Joe Dirt beard. Here we go. So, yeah, we have parts, and a Harley. It's still not done yet. Still waiting for brake caliper, battery box cover, and battery box strap. Got to get battery. Need another gasket, but we got these new forward controls because we already went over how these ones are just hammered to all bejesus and back. So what they don't tell you, and is I don't have the name of them. I'll see if I can get it. If I can, editor demo, put the name of these controls, you know, somewhere in that, you know, like here, I don't know, wherever. They're not exactly a plug and play, bolt on type deal. Yes, I've been cheating. I did a little bit of stuff off camera on a few things actually, but we'll go over that real quick and then we'll get actually into the meat and potatoes here. That way you're not getting bored out of your bloody mind. All right. So here are nice shiny black forward controls. Some hardwares, and you've got these plates right here that nicely set there, right? Well, kind of. So what they fail to tell you is if you look down here, get my screwdriver in here so you can see. Here's the bolt. Shit. Oot. Can you see? Yeah, you can see the silver of the bolt. There's a space here. They don't give you spacers. Which, I mean, if you're just some person, it's like, hey man, I'm gonna put forward controls on this beast and I'm gonna order this set, demo, figure out, write it in. And this is what we're gonna run. Well, you're gonna need spacers. It just so happens that I'm a parts hoarder. Different than a trash hoarder, I'm a parts hoarder. And I happen to have the old spacers off of the original forward controls. Now, if you're going from mids to forwards with these, you're gonna be in trouble. But if you find this bloody video, we'll measure this out. We'll tell you exactly what you need here. I know I'm rambling. I'm sorry. Just deal with it as I pull my calipers out. This way you have an exact measurement, not like, you know, a kind of guesstimate with a... So, got our calipers here. We're gonna go ahead. Yes, they're digital. So it is 22.10 millimeters. We could probably convert that to inches, which is 0.8695 inches, right? So it's not a full inch. So now the inside diameter. Oh crap! I went to fraction, inch and fractions, whatever, millimeters. Go back. 0. We'll go ahead and we'll do our inside here. Our inside's 10 mil. So I think that's like what, 3/8 on them. Yeah, 3/8. So 3/8 bolt. All right. So there'll be 0.22. That's what you need So when your bolt goes through to your other side, to your right side, which is your brake side, this is what you'll need. All right. Real quick, we did some work on the Magna. We're just gonna update you, then we'll actually get to work. I'll talk a little bit, sorry. Did some work on the Magna. Brake lines completely clogged with crap the whole way through. Put some water, put some air through it. Needs new brake lines. Public service announcement. Not all chrome batteries off Amazon are good. This one's trash, brand new, dead cell. The other thing we did do is this one's done. Don't mind. I got crap everywhere. Done. Look at that. Shoo! She's clean. We're gonna wash her up. And it's gotta go. It's 2007 Honda Rebel for sale. It'll be up on the old marketplace, or if you're within the central Pennsylvania area, hit us up on Instagram. It's Z Story Barn. But all right, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get these controls on. Was that a bloody struggle? That one bolt just was crap. So if you buy this, just make sure all your threads are good and you have all the right amount of nuts. This one was missing one. And again, there was no instructions in this. It was just kind of like, willy-nilly. You'll figure it out, I guess.
because the old one had plates that everything's bolted into and massive stuff. We'll just throw this crap on the shelf. But so we got our nice black, you know, looks good. Now I got to figure all this trash out. Have to figure out placement. This is aluminum, it's not steel, so yeah, didn't have washers. I assume this is where these bolts went. I assume this is where these ones went. It's all a guessing game. This one down here is a little short. We made it work though, I think. It may have been meant for one of these. I don't know. It shouldn't rattle itself apart. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact on each side. This one goes through the engine. This one goes through the engine. We have engine mounts here, engine mounts here, engine mounts back there. This should not fall out. Again, this here, it's not bad. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Seems a little wide, but whatever. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm just gonna go ahead, click the time lapse on again and start figuring it out. I like to work from the bottom and we'll work our way up. We need to check the tension on the primary chain. I just kind of sent it. We'll pull off the cover again. Take a little peek, see what we got going on there, see how taut it is. We'll go ahead and get all this crap back together slowly but surely. And then diamond plate, I'm gonna figure this out because it needs to wrap back around here, wrap around, cover, and back around. I might actually bring it up and over so you have a bolt, 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 and then, you know, Craigslist, rebuild it just like everybody else does. So with that being said, back to the time lapse, I think. Alright, well, we tensioned the primary chain. Don't roast me. I don't know the specs. I just kind of know where it was at. So I just kind of did the same thing. And then I'll feel it out, okay? If you want to know how to do it, just, I'm sure JP Cycles or Revzilla or somebody has a video on it, on the exact deflection of the chain. So, we got the battery box in, we got the horn on, new plugs in it, oil filters on, forward controls are in. I need to do a few little odds and ends, And yeah, probably by the next time you see this thing, it'll probably be off the jack stands, maybe. I don't know. I may have to pull the battery box off again. I don't remember how those wires went in. That negative just looks wrong to me. But, you know, it'll be what it'll be. Hopefully this thing will be done here within the next couple days. Maybe we'll film some, maybe we won't. But, as always, keep it to the floorboards, and we'll catch you on the flip side.